My name is Joe from Residual Mailbox Profits, and I just wanted to tell you about my flyer that I've had for going around for a while. Been around since 2019, and I've made some changes to it. So now when you join, you're going to get 500 leads for free when you join. You join, I'm going to send you out a packet. I'm going to send you out 500 leads separate from the packet, but you're going to get 500 leads anyways. And then you'll be able to mail out your flyer. And you make $100 every time someone joins, and then they'll get 500 leads. But they're also going to mail out with your name in box 2. So you'll have the ability to make money from your downline's effort. So pretty much how it works: send $100 per person in box 1, send $100 per person in box 2, and myself $100. I also take phone calls. If you have any questions about this program. And you can also have your number on the flyer as well. You don't have to. People will call me. They see my number's real big right here. I'll answer it, or if I don't, I will call them back. And I will do my best to sell this for them, for you, so that you can make money. Because when you make money, I make money. And on down the line. So it's a simple program. There is no hard issues. There's no, you put it in an envelope, you mail it out. Also included when you join is a cover letter. I have it here somewhere. I don't really want to rifle through my programs because I don't know where it is. But you get a sweet cover letter along with that. And right now, normally the way I used to do this is I would allow people to join and not have to pay these 2 spaces. And I found that is not helpful for anybody. So from now on, I do not allow any more free spaces. If there's a flyer out there, there's a flyer out there, but no, that does not happen anymore. So right now, when you join, it's a special offer. I'm only doing this for a few people. The next maybe 10 people that contact me from this video. There's a link in the description of this. You'll see this flyer. You can print it out and mail it to me. Give me a call that you saw my video on YouTube. If you got it from somebody else, please join through them. But if you saw my video through YouTube, give me a call, let me know. The special offer I'm going to give you right now is you can join for $150, half price. What I'm going to do is I'll put you in box 1. I'm going to put a random person in box 2. You will not have a free space. And I will still send you out 500 leads. Matter of fact, I will double that. I'll make it 1,000. So if you join me for $150, I will make it 1,000. I'll give you 1,000 peel and stick. You don't have to do the 135 here. Just send me one. Well, of course it is more, but send me 150. Because then that would actually be 335. You send me 150, and I'm going to send you 1,000 flyers. I'm going to send you this flyer, a sweet cover letter. Plus, I'm also going to send you out, and I'll include you in the program. You don't have to do anything. It's a stamp program I have as well. So that's pretty much it. So this program's been going on since 2019. Like I said, I have about 200 members. Are they active? Few of them are still. Not everybody is. But that's pretty much it. So if it sounds like a good deal to you, give me a call. My number's right here, 210-343-1320. Please don't call me in the middle of the night. It is my cell phone. It will ring. Call me normal business times, 8 to 5. Sometimes even you can call me at 7, p.m. I'm in Central Standard Time. That's it. It's pretty simple. So give me a call and see you soon.